Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruisin with the Colemans, and I am here in Hershey, Pennsylvania at America's largest RV show, and we are taking a look today at the brand new 188 RBST. Now you might have seen our factory tour of this model being built, and they didn't get it quite finished while we were up there, but it's done now and it is pretty. Come on inside and let's take a look. The first thing you're going to notice in this rig is that it's only 22 feet 9 inches long, but look at how much space you feel like you've got inside. We've got the super bed storage up here, which is great because it's going to give you lots of room to store your clothes in these 3 cabinets that are underneath. There's shoe storage over on this side, and there's even room for a small laundry basket under here. Plus, it just increases your floor space when everybody's trying to get ready and get dressed in the morning. All of the Apex floor plans come with a removable shelf in the wardrobes. Take the shelf out and set it down on the bottom, so you can use them for hanging clothes, or you can leave the shelf in and have 2 shelves here with some baskets or some tubs of clothing and other items that you might need to store. We've also got great storage all the way across up here. This passes all the way through, and there's plenty of room for other things up top. These new recliners are super comfortable, and because they're out on the slide out, they're just making that wider space here. From the recliners, I've got a great view of my TV set, and well, I can just kind of look out my camp windows. Apex kitchens are always top notch. We've got this new air fryer model that's coming in all of the rigs. The stove here, 3-burner stove on this rig, and of course a microwave. Plenty of storage in all of our kitchen cabinets, and notice that they've all got these new magnetic locks, which make them much more secure and more fail-safe when you're driving down the road. These great big farmhouse sinks are fantastic, plenty of room to get all your dishes done, and you can use the cover to hide the things that you didn't get done. 12-volt refrigerator, spacious. I believe this is a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. The freezer is massive, and because it's the new 12-volt refrigerator, it's gonna keep your ice cream frozen, and there's plenty of room up there for a frozen pizza. All Coachmen Apex models that have a TV in them when you buy them are coming now with a smart TV, and all of the models that don't have a TV do have a backer for you to mount one somewhere, including all of the remotes. They also are all coming with the WindGuard Air 360 so that you can add your mobile hotspot to it if you'd like. And now all of the rigs are coming with a 15,000 BTU air conditioner, which is an upgrade from what we've seen in the past. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Plenty of room in the shower, lots of headspace up here. I'm just under 6 feet tall, so I've got plenty of room in here. With the skylight, even if you're a little taller, you're gonna be okay. Notice the bathroom is very spacious. Lots of room, elbow room around the toilet. Small vanity with a medicine cabinet, but there's still plenty of storage down here for things like towels and cleaning supplies. There's a hook for towels over here, and you could add definitely a towel hook for a larger family. More storage over here, and the nice fan up at top for the exhaust. Coachmen is the leader to the great outdoors, and the outside of this RV is certainly a good testament to that. You've got the hitch receiver prep on the back end, a ladder prep, and a camera prep all ready to go. We've got the Suburban griddle with a Lodge cast iron cooktop on top, and ample pass-through storage. Thanks for watching this tour. Make sure you check out our playlist with all of our other Apex tours and remote tours, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We'd be happy to answer them, and we'll see you out on the road taking your next adventure.